I want to talk about our strategies on how to skate to where the market is going and some themes, some ideas. Again, none of this should be considered financial advice. We're not financial advisors. Um, so this is all of our content is for education and entertainment purposes only. But again, these are some strategies, some trade ideas of some trends, seasonal trends that I want to quickly look at that maybe we can take advantage of. Maybe we can skate to where the market's going, take advantage of these seasonal trends, some of which we've talked about before, some might be slightly new. Again, so we can take advantage and get there before the market gets there and make money trading in this way. So let me grab a quick drink, and I want to look at some of these seasonal trends in some of these categories. Okay, the first one I want to look at that we've talked about when we talked about the making money trading in the fall in October, we talked about this some is the trend in retail tends to be positive. So I want to look at the XRT chart, and we see this seasonal trend October through the end of the year. See back here as well, October through the end of the year. So again, seasonally, it seems to, it tends to be positive for retail going into the end of the year. And then we see, a rollover at the end of the year. So again, right now we have this opportunity to take advantage of this seasonal trend in retail up until the end of the year, and then it'd probably be a good idea to to sell at that point because it seems to peak out in early of each year, and we'll see this in a number of these trends. So again, retail is a positive trend October through the end of the year. We looked at silver and gold. If we look at the trends for silver, again, we tend to see towards the end of the year, we see an uptrend into the early part of the year, and that continues. So here we saw one, September, November. So it looks like, November through early part of the following year, we get a nice uptrend. So again, we might get a little bit of a retracement, and then again, November through early next year, we might, continue those uptrends in silver and gold. So gold is very similar. Again, you can get these charts via the direct links in our notes. I won't talk too much about the gold and silver ETFs. Again, we do have a video, and you can listen to that video on the top gold and silver ETFs. Also, something to note, I've noticed that the small gold and silver miners, which have been severely beaten down, they've been lagging. They really haven't uptrended along with the price in gold and silver, but I see several of them are starting to slowly move up. So you might want to take a look at the small gold and silver miners that you like, that you think are valuable, and find the ones that might be starting to move back up. The risk reward profile is probably pretty good in quite a few of these because they have been severely beaten down over the past couple of years. Quite a few of them are very cheap. They're $1, couple, some even under $1. Although a lot of these small miners also are not, they're not vulnerable to the minimum bid price issue. They've been grandfathered in, so take a look at those. Also, someone was mentioning the IWM. I think seasonally we'll see another trend in the IWM. So here we see October through the end of the year. IWM tends to have an uptrend. And then we'll talk about tax loss harvesting, etc. So again, October through the end of the year tends to be positive, has been positive the past couple of years for IWM. So if we see that turn in IWM, if it does start to swing back up, that may be, again, another opportunity for a short-term swing. But right now, it's downtrending pretty severely. So again, we want to see that stabilization. We want to see that bottoming and swinging back up before we jump into too aggressively. Also, we've been talking about treasuries. Again, treasury prices have been plummeting, yields have been escalating, and when that turns, that has an effect on several of the other sectors we want to talk about, but it's all driven by that treasury yields. Again, we have a supply problem. Treasury keeps issuing yields, so the prices keep dropping, yields keep going up. So we want to, wait for that turn. Once we get that turn in the TLT, and again, you can look at the seasonal link, and we've talked about this for quite some time. Again, right now that's putting pressure on real estate, putting pressure on utilities, and we want to see once that does stop, once treasury yields peak out, become stable, then that may be an opportunity for real estate and utilities. Again, we talked about the seasonal trend in utilities, so you can reference those previous discussions via the links to those videos in the notes. Also, we've got a video on the best real estate ETFs to use. And again, we're waiting for treasury yields to stabilize, and then that may be a potential future opportunity in both real estate and utilities. Again, tomorrow we'll talk about some of the individual stocks and ETFs that we're watching regarding these trends. And Easy Mike's asking, what's the dividend on TLT? Tomorrow we'll talk about dividend payers, and we'll specifically look at the various dividend payers related to treasuries, REITs with real estate, utilities, etc. So again, tomorrow we'll talk about dividend payers. As I mentioned, going into the end of the year, you want to be aware of the end of year tax loss harvesting. If you're not familiar with what that is and how does it work, we have a video that talks about tax loss harvesting. Again, that, one area of vulnerability in that regard is beaten down stocks that have significant losses are vulnerable to tax loss harvesting. So when we're talking about IWM, small caps, we're talking about some of the miners. If they're down significantly towards the end of the year, they may be vulnerable to tax loss harvesting. And again, we'll talk about that in more detail as we get towards the end of the year. Talk about wash sales, the Santa rally, etc. towards the end of the year. Again, we've talked about the seasonal trends in the fall, how to make money trading in the fall. We've also talked about October. October tends to be the start of a seasonal uptrend, although again, we've got global situations that are putting pressure on the markets right now, as well as the treasury issue. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch list, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow BeachBum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.